Hey guys, welcome to your Dr. Animo. Prepare to be amazed. Is this the best way to deal with spiders in the house? Well, I don't recommend that. Have you ever seen this big lightning strike? Oh! Only a professional basketball player can do that. That's how not to be professional at something.
Gosh freaking dang it, I cut it too short.
I think it's time to go bald. This family never expected to be surprised like that out of nowhere.
Oh my God!
What would you do in this situation? There are moments when stunt actors in films must tackle some genuinely terrifying stunts.
2, 1, action!
Don't try this at home. This cat must be dreaming something truly incredible.
I'm sure that box is full of stolen car parts.
Have you ever heard a dog say hello?
Hello, 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 hello.
That's why horses are used for riding.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
The goat babies went into shock. Is this the best way to catch a fish? I would never recommend that. This is how you can jumpstart a cat.
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever.
These baby goats have their own little horses. And they are ready for a ride.
Oh my God.
What kind of real-life glitch is happening here? It looks like this bird is encountering the rabbit for the first time. I'm not sure what caption would fit in this situation. This pig has a strong aversion to being filmed and will do almost anything to stay away from the camera. When you realize you have to work to get food, that's why people often say to keep your mouth shut in every situation.